Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, when we look at the beliefs that we see in front of us here from the Pirate Way Culture Playbook of trust, own, and connect, we can see that each belief has different behaviors underneath it, and they lead to an outcome that we all want to achieve. And these outcomes we see here at the bottom. And we've learned about E plus R equals O and how that stands for event plus response equals outcome. And when we've used E plus R equals O to help us be the best versions of ourselves, we always have to remember that we have zero control over the events, over that E. And we're going to have many different events we deal with every day, but we don't get to control them. We don't get to choose what those events are. Then we have to remember that we get to influence the outcomes we want to achieve, that letter O. We don't get to completely control those either, those outcomes, but our responses can help lead to the different outcomes we are trying to achieve. And the one thing we do completely control is our responses, the letter R. No one responds for us or makes us respond a certain way. Each of our responses is up to each one of us, and we have to own that. Now, we spent a lot of time recently learning about pressing pause to help us make above the line responses. And when we own that our responses are 100% within our control, like they're what we choose to do, we want to do our best with every response. And that's why we're learning about those different disciplines, such as pressing pause, that are going to help us achieve the outcome of being the best versions of ourselves. Now, we're going to take some time starting to focus on the belief of own from our culture playbook. And remember, from our Pirate Pledge, we say, we own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. And when we say we own our responses, it means we're not going to blame someone else or something else for our choices or why we did something a certain way. And when we look from that at that first behavior underneath the belief of own, it says to take responsibility. And that's exactly what we mean by that. Because when you're able to take responsibility and accept that you are responsible for all of your responses, you find out that it helps you and others around you to be the best versions of yourselves. So take responsibility today and own your responses, and then own that it's up to you, and you can make this a great start of your week and a great Monday here at Furry. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right. Thank you, everyone. Today is Monday, October 2nd, 2023. And for lunch today, it will be chicken fries with a pretzel, mini carrots and peaches. Sandwich of the week, ham and cheese or peanut butter and jelly. We have a couple birthdays to celebrate today at Furry. Happy birthday to Emerson Schwer and Naomi Jacob, who both get to celebrate their birthdays with the Furry team on this Monday. We hope both of you students have a wonderful, wonderful birthday and enjoy getting a year older on this day. And now we're going to take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right for the day and start to get that thought in our head of own, right? We own our actions and choices. We get to completely control our responses. And this pressing pause can always help us with those responses throughout the day. So let's go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4 and hold. Breathe out. All right. Very, very good. I do not have any other announcements for you this morning. So let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect. And let's make it a great day, Furry.